channel. It's Ahoufe Darocha. Thank you for clicking to watch this video today. I know today I'm coming to you a bit undone, but we're doing something different today. Today I'm going to show you the ways in which I use my Fenty Beauty bronzer. Okay, so I got the Fenty Beauty bronzer. Excuse the mess. I've been wearing it nearly every day. So I got the shade Mocha Mami. I've been looking at the reviews and I was trying to get the one that matches my skin tone the most, that will show up as a bronzer. Now I found that the Cocoa Naughty, which is one shade down, I didn't think that it will blend with, it won't, you know, show up on my skin tone. So I thought, let me get the darkest shade, which is Mocha Mami. I find that Mocha Mami is a bit red, is a bit on the red side, but let's just get into it. I'll leave you guys to decide what you think about this. I haven't finished doing my hair. I'm still in the process of doing my hair. I wanted to wet my hair after I've done the whole look. So I'm going to show you how I define my curls as well. So this is the natural state of the hair. It's the curly hair that I reviewed in the previous video. So this is it when it's just dry. I haven't wet it in probably about a week now. So it is dry as hell. So when I finish my makeup, we're gonna do the hair as well. So let's get into the video. Okay, so I've come in a bit. Like I said, the Mocha Mami is on the red side. But anyway, so what I normally do is I use my MAC 120 face brush, just dab it in a bit, and I'm just going to swoop it on my cheeks. I've already done my foundation, I've highlighted and contoured, I've put my face powder, and then after that, to finish everything off, you put the bronzer at the top. That's how I do it anyway. So I'm just going to run it through like that. As you can see, it's quite on the red side, so a little does go a long way. You don't need to use as much. See, it is warming up my face, but it's a bit red. So I'll give my final thoughts at the end. Let me just shut up and just show you guys how I do this. Okay. Okay, and then I just dust a little bit down the bridge of my nose, just to warm my face up a bit. Yes, I look like I've been burnt by the sun. Using my powder brush just to blend everything in. I've missed doing makeup tutorials. I've missed it so much. It feels so good to be back doing this. I've been doing so much reviews lately. Okay, so I don't only use this as a bronzer. As you can see, it has bronzed up my face beautifully. You can see the sun-kissed glow. Now, I also use the Fenty Beauty bronzer as an eyeshadow. And I'm going to show you the look that I've been doing with this. So let me just show you. Fluffy blender brush, and then we're just going to buff this in all over the crease. Oh, I've just put setting spray on it. Oh my gosh. Like so. I think I need to zoom in a bit. I forgot to zoom in. Zoom, zoom, zoom. There we go. Okay. So I'm just circular motions, building up the colour, and this colour is gorgeous as an eyeshadow, guys. I really like this. Oh, I love it as an eyeshadow. I prefer it as an eyeshadow than a bronzer, to be honest. So I do tend to use this more as an eyeshadow. Sometimes if I want to just do like a natural, quick makeup go-to look, I just put this colour all over my lid and where my lashes. And it wasn't recording the whole time. Oh my god, guys, I've recorded this whole video and it wasn't recording the whole time. I'm so pissed. Guys, oh my god, I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, what the hell? Ugh, basically, I'm so pissed off. I thought I was recording. The whole time I wasn't recording. I used my shader brush. I dipped it in my gold palette from the Kylie Bible palette, this gold. And I used it on my lid. And then I used the Fenty Beauty bronzer on my crease. That's all I've put on my eyes. My lashes and a bit of liner. And okay, so I'm going to take my Kylie Bible highlight and I'm just going to place a little bit on my cheeks. Ooh. I forgot how bomb this highlight actually is. Like, this is bomb. Sorry guys, my baby's here, so you're going to hear goo goo gagas. Okay, so I'm going to run a little bit as well down my nose. Doop. This highlight is bomb. Why did I stop using this highlight? Somebody tell me please, why did I stop using this? Okay, so now I'm gonna spray my face once again. Just to lock everything in. And now we're gonna do the hair. Don't you just love this hairband? Isn't it cute? This is my daughter's. Okay. So now I'm gonna take the spray bottle. Let me go back. Okay guys, so I've just finished dumping my hair after God knows how long. I sprayed so much just to get it really damp. My outfit is a bit wet, but anyway, this is the end result. I just put water and conditioner like I always do, and yeah, that is the end result. So that is how I use my Fenty Beauty bronzer. Now I'm going to give you my final thoughts. I'm going to come in a bit closer. Okay, so I like the pigmentation of the bronzer. The bronzer has an amazing pigmentation and it lasts a good few hours, almost throughout the day. I don't have to retouch my bronzer or anything like that. The only problem I have with the bronzer is the colour. I feel like Fenty, Rihanna, they need to come with some more bronzers for the melanin dark girls. For us girls, yeah, for the darker ones, yeah, they need to provide more colours, because I feel like there wasn't a shade that I could actually say, yeah, it's a bronzer. For me, I feel like I look it's quite red. So I had to just apply just a touch, as you saw, just a bit. A little goes a long way as well. It's really pigmented, so you don't need much. But I would prefer if they had some colours in between the Cocoa Naughty and the Mocha Mami. I think if they put some shades in between that would be perfect. So up till now, my favourite bronzer to today is the CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer, which is so scarce now and it's hard to get. Like, I saw on Amazon, it was like, what, almost £70 just for the one, because it's so scarce and then if people need it, so they're just selling it at ridiculous prices. I used to buy it for like £8 or so. They used to have it on most websites in the UK, but now it's so hard to get that bronzer everywhere. I don't know, you have to order from America. So that's still my favorite bronzer. Because that color is just, it's not too orange, it's not too red, but it's rich and it's like more chocolatey, and it's got like a shimmer inside. I can't explain it, but with the Fenty Beauty, it's just red, chalk red. That's it. There was not really much of a shimmer effect to it, like a bronzer normally should. I think, well, for me, I prefer bronzers with a little bit of shimmer. I don't know about you guys. I don't know. Let me know. But I feel like a bronzer should make you look sun-kissed, so a little bit of a shimmer in it would be nice. But in all, it is nice, you know. It is a good purchase and it's reasonable as well. I'm sure the lighter skin shades probably will enjoy the bronzer a lot more because they have more of their shades than the darker side. But yeah, I enjoy using it for my eyeshadow. I love using it for my eyes. I think it's really, really gorgeous. I love using it for my eyes. And yeah, so this is my review. It's not really a review. This is how I use my beauty bronzer, my Fenty Beauty bronzer. I wanted to share with you how it looks on me, what I feel about it, how it wears, and other ways you can wear bronzer. You don't have to just wear it on your face, well, as a bronzer. You can also use it as an eyeshadow. You can use it as a blush as well. So there's many ways you can use bronzers, and I've shared with you today my way of how I use my Fenty Beauty bronzer. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I will catch you guys. What did I just sing there? and I will catch you guys in my next video, which will be very, very, very soon. Thank you guys. Oh my god, look how wet my top has got. Oh my gosh, I've literally drenched this top. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better.